Some good news at last. Broadband provider Imagine has announced a 5-year price freeze. 5-year price freeze. We never see that. We occasionally see a 1-year price freeze, but mostly what we're getting are price increases, and we have general inflation picking up again. So it's really, really good to see a price freeze. Now, Imagine was essentially a rural-based broadband provider providing fixed wireless broadband. It's now moved to providing fibre and 5G mobile. So it's available nationwide, and they are saying that they will not increase their prices until 2030. Now, this is at a time when rivals Air, Sky, Three Ireland, Vodafone, they've all increased their prices this year, which hit people hard. Some of those increases are up to €100 a year for their packages. So to get a provider who's saying, this is our price, there's no introductory offer, it's a straight price, and we will give it to you at that price for the next couple of years up until 2030. This is really good, and we would like to see more of this. To be fair, Virgin Media froze their prices for a year earlier in the year, but that's only a year. This is a 5-year price freeze. And the Imagine broadband fibre optic 500 megabyte, that's from €55 a month. So it's pretty good value. And you don't have to sign up for a 1-year or a 2-year, 24-month contract. There's a leave-only flexibility, they say, which means you can sign up for this and you can move again if you need to. And there's none of this nonsense of getting an introductory offer for 6 months and then it moves up much higher after that. The price is the price, and it'll stay like that for 5 years. So this is pretty good news. We've seen a little bit of this in the energy market, where Electric Ireland said that they weren't increasing electricity prices and were cutting gas prices. Prepay Power and Energy also said they were freezing prices. But it's most unusual in this country to see prices being frozen, and it's very much to be welcomed.